Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to change the system language on your Motorola Moto E14. So first go to the settings. Now scroll down to System. Inside the System menu, tap on Languages. Now tap on System Languages and add a language. Now you can choose your preferred language from the list, or you can also find a language by tapping on this search icon. I will search for example, German. And as you can see, the German language was added to the list. To change the system language, tap and hold the new language, then drag it to the top of the list. Confirm changes, and your phone will instantly switch to that language. As you can see, we have German language now. Let me change this back. To delete a language from the list, tap on these three dots, select remove, mark the language which you want to delete, tap on trash bin icon, confirm the action, and selected language is now removed from your device. Okay, that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Bye.